Hello everyone, today we would like to demonstrate how you can delete your photos from an iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, open the Photos app, select Gallery, then open the album that contains the photos that you would like to get rid of. And after that, if those photos are in the, if there are many of the photos that you would like to erase, not the single one, if you need to get rid of just the single photo, just tap on it and choose the delete option. If you would like to remove multiple photos, just at the top right corner tap on this select feature, then select what pictures you would like to get rid of, or what videos, or what images, or whatever. Let's say I'll go with this 4. And after that, click on the trash bin over here at the bottom right corner. So basically, the photos that we have just removed are placed into the recently deleted album over here at the very bottom of the albums page. So if you would like to completely erase the files, just open the recently deleted album, select the pictures that you would like to completely remove. Then at the bottom left corner, tap on the delete option, confirm your choice, and just like so, you have successfully erased those photos from existence. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.